Hey everybody, I'm gonna show you how you can make a different top from your blouses. It's a very creative and cute top. So right now I'm wearing a sleeveless blouse, you can see. Okay, and here I have another sari blouse from my mother. So I'm gonna show you how you can style them like a top. Okay, so I'm wearing one blouse now. Keep watching. So now I wore this blouse. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fold it like this and I'm gonna secure it over here with a pin. Okay, keep watching. I did it on one side, now I'm gonna do it on the other side. So look, now if your blouse is too loose, you can also secure it here with a safety pin. If your blouse is too small, then what you can do is you can tie one ribbon here and then you can tie it together. You can try different color combinations. I wanted to show you the possibility. Go create, create different outfit, create different food, create different, use your creativity and let God inspire you. When you start to do this, God's gonna inspire you in other areas of your life as well.